Alright, now we check everything locally. We go back to GitHub, click on code. We can see everything is empty here. We open out the software, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Make it big. On your left, click on source control. Then download Git for Windows. Just click this one. We will install GitHub. Now choose 32 Git for Windows setup. We are going to install GitHub. You can choose 64-bit also if you want. This is only for Windows device. So click on next. So this is the location that we're going to install the Git, the software. Then click on next, next, more next, next all the way. Let it install, be patient, almost there. Yep, finish. Install, running some codes here and click on finish. You will see this window. And now you just need to close it first. Now you will still see download Git for Windows. All you need to do is close the Microsoft Visual Studio software. Close it first. Click it. Then reopen back Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And click on source of control. You will see it change to 2 buttons there, open folder or clone repository. Now you are done. All you need to do is click on open folders, select the local folders that your source code is. Then you click on source of control. You'll see the difference now. Yep, that's it. Let's go to the next video.